Alright guys, I got a 97 TJ here where I'm having some gauge issues, where when I start it up and drive it, the gauges don't work. I'll show you what I mean. Nothing. So I took the dash apart, did all the grease, you know, electronic grease, dielectric. Went through, made sure all the connections were tight, the connectors in the back behind. You have to take the whole dash out. There's a couple videos out there for how to do that. And also people were bending the metal contacts behind there, and that wasn't it. You know, I chased all my grounds under the hood, everything like that. And then I was looking at something else, you know, trying to trace the wires back, and I came down to where the kick panel is. And I got some pictures of it beforehand, but what I noticed was I had a little rodent infestation here, and it started ripping out some of the wires. And it was specifically, I mean, I cleaned it up here so you can see it better, but I'm trying to get it in focus, the purple with black stripe was actually severed, and it was hanging on by like 1 or 2 strands. And so sometimes the dash would flicker in and out. You get gauges, you get RPM, you get fuel, you get battery. But what I did here was then I took a jumper wire, you know, these super cheap little jumper wires, alligator clips, strip the wire back a little bit, see if I can get something. Let's see here if I can show it. Clip this guy, clip its mate, come back up here, boom, battery, fuel, RPM, step on the throttle a little bit, boom, there she goes, guys. So hopefully this helps everybody. Check your left foot kick panel, check for some exposed wires, go from there. Take it easy.